This is the California Vehicle Code 12,500A, that if you do not have a driver license when getting pulled over by the police department, that they will issue you a ticket and or take you to jail over. A person may not drive a motor vehicle upon a highway unless the person then holds a valid driver's license issued under this code, except those persons who are expressly exempted under this code. So, we are going to go through that sentence by the definitions of these words/terms that are being used. The California Vehicle Code 12,500A. A person. What is the definition of a person according to the United States Codes of Law? United States Codes of Law. Person. The word person and whoever include corporations, companies, associations, firms, partnerships, societies, and joint stock companies, as well as individuals. May not drive. What is driving? The definition of driving: to urge forward under guidance, compelled to go in a particular direction, urge onward, and direct the course of. What is a driver? The definition of driver: one employed in conducting or operating a coach, carriage, wagon, or other vehicle with horses, mules, or other animals, or a bicycle, tricycle, or motor car, though not a street railroad car. A person actually doing driving, whether employed by owner to drive or driving his own vehicle. A motor vehicle. What is a motor vehicle? The definition of motor vehicle from the California Vehicle Code 260A and B. A commercial vehicle is a motor vehicle of a type required to be registered under this code, used or maintained for the transportation of persons for hire, compensation, or profit, or designed, used, or maintained primarily for the transportation of property. B. Passenger vehicles and house cars that are not used for the transportation of persons for hire, compensation, or profit are not commercial vehicles. Upon a highway unless the person then holds a valid driver's license. What is a driver's license? United States Codes of Law. Definition of driver license. Driver license means a license issued by a state to an individual authorizing the individual to operate a motor vehicle on highways. What is a motor vehicle? The definition of motor vehicle from the United States Codes of Law. The term motor vehicle means every description of a carriage or other conveyance propelled or drawn by mechanical power and used for commercial purposes on the highways in the transportation of passengers and property or cargo. The definition of used for commercial purposes from the United States Codes of Law. The term used for commercial purposes means the carriage of persons or property for any fare, fee, rate, charge, or other consideration, or directly or indirectly in connection with any business or other undertaking intended for profit issued under this code, except those persons who are expressly exempted under this code. A person may not drive a motor vehicle upon a highway unless the person then holds a valid driver's license issued under this code, except those persons who are expressly exempted under this code.